So here's the package. That came all the way from Japan. I thought it was going to take a lot longer, about a month, but it actually took a couple weeks. I was very shocked and surprised that this arrived. And it's here in the ScaleRiders studios, sitting in my bench. Shout out to George. I picked up the fine craft knife he had recommended to me. I even got this small little helicopter gift. Looks like an eraser. The file, the missing link that I've been needing. Some Godhand sponge sanding sticks. And as you know, the Sujiborido. Most of the stuff right here, it's mostly for sanding. And this file though, very excited to use this right here from Tamiya. Looks pretty sick. But yeah, the ones up here, these of course are, this one's a 600 grit, 400 grit, 800 grit, and a 220. So let's take a closer look. Let me flip to the back. So as you can see it, you can Velcro on the sanding strip. Different colors, different course. They're washable. And it came with more than one strip, as you can see there. And you just go ahead and put that on the bottom. Pretty neat. I'll follow it up with another video showing how to put that on and testing it out.